Looking closely at the details in nature really helps us to connect with it. So for today, I thought we'd look at making some prints with some leaves and other bits of foliage that you might have collected whilst you were out and about. I'm just using a roller here, some paper, some different coloured acrylic paints, the leaves that I've collected, and just really simply just messing around a bit. So I'm going to use this nice turquoise colour, bob a bit onto the page, roller that out, and then I'm going to choose a contrasting colour to then roll it onto my organic matter. Rollering onto the leaf, it picks up, this is the back of the leaf, it picks up all those beautiful, beautiful markings that they have. And with another sheet of paper, I'm just going to flatten that leaf, give it a good rub, and peel the leaf off.